In a society where environmental sustainability was prioritized, the world flourished with green initiatives and eco-friendly practices. AI played a crucial role in optimizing resource management and waste reduction. The city of Green Haven was a shining example of how technology and nature could coexist harmoniously. Among the residents were a group of passionate eco-warriors known as the Green Guardians. They dedicated their lives to promoting sustainable living and educating others about the importance of preserving nature. Their mission was clear: to create thriving urban gardens that would beautify the city and provide fresh produce for the community. The Green Guardians utilized advanced AI tools to analyze soil quality, weather patterns, and plant growth. This allowed them to make informed decisions about which plants to grow and how to care for them efficiently. With each garden they established, they aimed to inspire others to join their cause. One sunny morning, the Green Guardians gathered at their community center to plan their next project, a large urban garden in a vacant lot near the heart of Green Haven. They envisioned a vibrant space filled with flowers, vegetables, and herbs, accessible to all residents. The excitement in the air was palpable as they discussed their ideas and strategies. With their plans in place, the Green Guardians set out to transform the vacant lot into a flourishing garden. They began by using AI tools to assess the soil conditions and identify any contaminants that needed addressing. Armed with knowledge, they worked tirelessly to prepare the ground for planting. As they dug into the earth, they shared stories about their love for nature and their hopes for a sustainable future. Each member of the group contributed their unique skills. Some were adept at planting, while others excelled at organizing community events. Together, they formed a cohesive unit dedicated to nurturing both the garden and their community. With AI's assistance, they selected native plants that thrived in the local climate. This decision not only ensured a successful garden but also promoted biodiversity in the area. As they planted seeds and seedlings, they marveled at how each one held the potential for life and nourishment. As weeks passed, the garden began to flourish. Bright flowers bloomed alongside rows of vegetables, attracting pollinators and creating a vibrant ecosystem. The Green Guardians monitored growth using AI analytics, adjusting watering schedules and nutrient levels as needed. The garden became a gathering place for residents of Green Haven. Families visited to learn about gardening, while children played among the flowers. The Green Guardians organized workshops where community members could learn sustainable gardening techniques and share their own experiences. One day, an elderly resident named Mrs. Thompson approached the group with a request. She wanted to teach others how to make herbal remedies using plants from the garden. The Green Guardians welcomed her idea, excited about sharing knowledge across generations. Mrs. Thompson led a workshop on herbal medicine, showcasing various plants that could be used for healing purposes. Residents listened intently as she shared her wisdom, connecting with nature on a deeper level. The workshop fostered a sense of community as participants exchanged stories about their health journeys. As summer approached, the garden produced an abundance of fresh vegetables and herbs. The Green Guardians organized a harvest festival to celebrate their hard work and share their bounty with the community. Families gathered in joy, savoring delicious dishes made from ingredients grown right in their own neighborhood. During the festival, attendees participated in activities like cooking demonstrations and guided tours of the garden. Children planted seeds in small pots to take home, fostering an early love for gardening. The atmosphere buzzed with laughter and connection as people celebrated nature's gifts together. As autumn arrived, Ellery reflected on how far they had come since starting the garden project. The once vacant lot had transformed into a thriving hub of activity. She felt proud knowing that their efforts had sparked interest in sustainable living throughout Greenhaven. Inspired by their success, the Green Guardians began planning new initiatives focused on environmental education. They envisioned creating more gardens across different neighborhoods, encouraging residents everywhere to embrace eco-conscious living. With each new project, they aimed not only to beautify their surroundings but also foster connections among community members. Ellara knew that collaboration was key, and she felt grateful for her fellow eco-warriors who shared her vision. As winter approached, the group gathered one last time in front of the garden before snowfall. They reminisced about all they had accomplished together, and Ellara felt warmth in her heart knowing they had made lasting memories. Drifting off into dreams filled with vibrant colors and blooming flowers, Ellara envisioned a future where communities thrived alongside nature, where everyone played a part in preserving Mother Earth. Through AI's guidance, the Green Guardians had shown that sustainable living was not just possible but essential. In this harmonious world, they learned that caring for nature meant caring for each other too. With hope swirling around her like leaves caught in a gentle breeze, Ellara drifted off into peaceful slumber, knowing she would wake up ready to continue nurturing both her community and its connection with nature.